Viene mucha gente. Ayuda.
This is the most awkward thing I've done in my life.
Hello everyone, good morning. Oh my god, this feels so awkward. Viene mucha gente and I'm socially awkward, entonces nada más estoy parada aquí en el pasillo. Ok, ahora sí, ya casi no hay gente, pero ya estoy en el aeropuerto de la Ciudad de México. Mi vuelo sale como en 40 minutos. Primero hago escala en Houston y luego de Houston me voy a Orlando. Hello everyone, I'm at the airport, Mexico City. I'm flying to Houston first. We have a 4-hour layover over there, and then we'll get going to Orlando. So I'll be arriving maybe like at 6-7 p.m. Not sure. Okay, so this is as real as it can get. Look, I'm vlogging literally here. Everyone's watching. That's what a vlogger life is like. I'm not even a vlogger. What am I talking about? Bye. Hey guys, yesterday was a really weird day. We arrived at Orlando and we're staying at the All-Star Music Resort, and then we went to Disney Springs. It was really cool. We had dinner there, and that's all we did yesterday. But today is our check-in day at ICP housing, and we're really excited to go. I'll be sharing an Uber with one of my hotel roommates, and I'll give you guys an update later. I'll show you the apartment complexes. Let's go. Hey guys, so I'm already at Patterson and I'm absolutely loving this place. Here are my bags. Oh, over there. And I'm going to do my check-in right now and meet my new roommates. Freaking out. Look at this. Oh my god.